Growing up, I swore I would never work in the auto industry because that's what everyone else did. Members of my family, my friends, moms and dads and everything. It just kind of happened. It's in the air around Detroit. I worked as a co-op student for an automaker to kind of put my way through college. I got exposed early on to the procurement function and how automakers worked with suppliers. And at that point in time, the relationships weren't strong, just the power dynamics, how the automaker really kind of exerted power over the supplier and kind of drove them into agreeing to things that probably were not sustainable. I was really big into sports growing up and just understanding how teams work and how the importance is of trusting one another and depending on one another. And through that lens, my sense was, gee, this isn't working the way that I understand a team to work. I joined Toyota as my first full-time job really out of college, but I was able to really utilize all the knowledge and experience I gained from those at that time as a co-op. At the time, Toyota was brand new. We were establishing our very first manufacturing plant in the U.S. Right away, we focused on really supplier relationships. It wasn't just some meetings where we shared our intentions and the like. We actually wrote it down, and we actually stated it as really a proclamation. This is the framework, these are the beliefs that we have. And we actually asked suppliers to sign a document along with us. Some suppliers were very enthusiastic and said, hey, I want to sign on right away. This is how I want to work. Principles like mutual success and mutual trust and open door policy, those kinds of things. But others were a little skeptical. Some handed it over to their lawyers and had their lawyers look at it as if it were a legal document when they got redlined and everything. But it was so significant to me because I saw how that changed people's thinking and saw the intentionality around relationships. The importance of relationships and building those relationships is more important today than it's ever been, and I think it will continue to be more important going into the future. As technology advances, suppliers design a significant portion of an automobile, and their ability to be able to invest in technology, to invest in their people and their facilities is essential. Everything else changes. The technology changes, the operations change and improve, all that. But the foundational beliefs that we agree as partners, those stay the same.